Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to complete a quest on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Discord. So once you open your Discord, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now here you can find your profile on the left hand side of the corner. There you can simply tap on your settings, and once you're in the settings, you will end up in this interface where you can tap on gift inventory. So once you tap on gift inventory, you will be redirected to this interface where you can find quest have moved. Simply tap on view quest, and once you tap on view quest, you can simply choose any of the quests that you want to complete. So once you have tapped it open and accepted the quest, you can simply start it and do the following that is instructed to you, and after doing this you will be able to complete a quest on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.